Breaking headlines.
Sinusisiklaan ng Legendary News Channel at sanga-sanga na ang umano'y katiwalian.
That is no exclusive agenda report. Breaking records. Setting the agenda through exclusive stories.
Your problem is someone else's dream. Ako si Risa Singh Sankaupeng. Magkapit, pandasal muna tayo. May dalawang misis na nag-uusap. Sabi ng una, "Ay, ang hirap ng may baby. Wala na akong oras para sa aking sarili. Kung kailan ako makakaiglap sana, biglang iyak na naman ang anak ko. Pagod na ako. Ay, how I wish for one day when my hands are free to do what I want for myself." Sagot naman ng pangalawang misis, "Buti ka pa, may anak. Ako naman, halos magkakayo na ang mga tuhod namin mag-asawa, humihiling ng isang baby kay Lord. Every month, umiiyak ako tuwing dinadatnan ako. Hi, how I wish to hold our baby in my hands Monday." Did you ever realize that your problem is someone else's dream? You complain about the difficulties and challenges of running your own business while others can only dream about having a business of their own. You grumble about how hard it is to maintain your house while others only dream about having their own home. You whine about fighting with your elderly parents while others miss their departed parents so much. Today, I pray that you receive the gift of divine perspective, na makita mo ang mga problema mo sa mata ng Diyos, na ang mga problema at pagsubok mo ay hindi pampahirap ng buhay, kundi pampatibay ng pananampalataya mo. Tayo magdasal. Jesus, help me to see the blessings in every trial and problem I face. Amen.
The world's wondering what's happening in